What up, guys? It's your boy Dre coming to you with another video. So for this video, we're gonna talk about the actual process on your trading week and how to use the commitment of traders to help you set up your fundamental bias for the week. Okay. So first, what you need to go on the site is the site called Bar Chart. So BARCHART.com. Okay. And you're gonna make sure that you're on the future option, not the forex. Even though we're trading forex, you have to look at the futures. The futures is really the let's say the US dollar, the British pound dollar, the Japanese yen dollar. So everything's separate. So we're not looking at the cross pair for now. Okay, you want to know exactly which what is the actual currency is doing separately to give you the bias for a cross pair that is forex. Okay, so you have to go on futures right here, and when you click on futures, you make sure you go on the commitment of traders option here. It's gonna top middle option here. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, beside the currency, you have a lot of detail that you could look at. So if you're trading soybeans and anything like that, you could trade those on different brokers. So you have grains, you have energy, meat, you have soft, so cotton, orange juice, and everything like that. And here, this is where we're gonna focus on is the currencies. You have financials and indices. Okay, so we're gonna go on the currencies option, and for this example, we're gonna use the US dollar. So it's the DX. You have the British pound, that is the B6, and you have the Japanese yen, that is the G6. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna start with the US dollar. So when you click on it, it's gonna open you a chart. Make sure that you're on the 3-year charting option, the quick chart, and that you're on a DX, that is the actual symbol for the US dollar index. And to look at the commitment of traders. Okay, so this week the trading weeks start always on a Monday on the chart. As you could see, if I go on the left, you're gonna see everything is Monday, 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 Monday. Okay, because the trading weeks start on Monday. Okay, so what you need to look at, you're gonna see on the yellow posted on the left, you're gonna see a section. You're gonna see sections that says COT LC. You have L, you have S, you have C, you have D, you have A, L, and O. Okay. So for the commitment of traders, what you need to look at for your trading, for your purposes of your trading, you have to make sure that you're looking at the COTLC C. Okay, you see it here, perfect. And since for this week there's no details because the trading week just started, you're not gonna see the details for now. Okay, so how you gonna be able to take the analysis for this week to know your bias, your fundamental bias for the week, if it's a buy or sell? You're gonna have to look at the last 2 weeks of the COTLCC. Okay, so since we're the 15th, you're gonna look at the 1st of October. Perfect. And you're gonna look at the 8th of October. Perfect. So if we start on the 1st of October, you have the COTLCC. It's minus 41,244. Okay, so I'm gonna put the details here in my notepad. Perfect. So since I already did it for last week because I was trading last week, the 8th, so I looked at the 24th of September and October 1st. Okay, so I already have the October 1st details. So what I need to add is October 8th and put the details here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna scroll on October 8th. So it says minus 41,425. So I'm gonna put minus 41,425. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on the yen. And what I do here on my notes is that I put the actual symbol of the index. So that way I don't need to close that page, go back on the yen, open it up. I just have to go on G6. As you can see, it says G6 here. I click it here and it's gonna open the chart. Same thing, it's 3 years. I'm just write the right index. That's perfect. So same thing here. So I already have the October 1st details. I'm gonna go on October 8th, and I'm always looking at the COT LCC. So this one is 138,202. So I'll put October 8th. Oops. So I'm just gonna go back, make sure of the details. So we said 138,202. So 138,202. Perfect. Same thing for the British pound. So that's October 8th. So the British pound is B6. So I'm just gonna go on B6 here, right here. Click on it. Same thing, 3 years, perfect. B6 on the right index. And I'm gonna go on October 8th. And I always look at the COT LCC. So this one is 76,085. So I put 76,045. And go back, make sure of the details. 85, perfect. So this one is 85. Okay, and make sure you double check your details to make sure that you're on the right you have the right details when you put in the details on that. So this one I'm gonna double check 76,085. 76,085, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now this is the actual tricky part of the section is how to calculate the details that you're putting on your notepad or your Evernote if you're using Evernote. Okay, so we're gonna start with the US dollar index. Okay, so we see a difference of let's see, that's its the October 1st details was minus 41,244, and this one is minus 41,425. So in pricing, since it's a minus, this price is bigger than this price because this is a minus price, right? So since it's a minus, it's going down in pricing of the details. It's a invert correlation, meaning that if you see if it's going down in the in the details that you see on your notes, that means the price is going up. Okay, so when you see a minus and it's going still in the minus, so it's not going up, it's still going down in details, it's going up in value. So that means that the US dollar is going up for the week. Okay. Now this is when you see a minus. Okay, same thing. If you go on the JPY the yen index, the price is basically 136,000 and 138,202. So that means the details is going up, but the actual price is going down. Okay, like I said, it's an invert correlation. Okay, Same thing. So we said so this one is going up. Okay. So you could put in the notepad that the US, I'm just gonna put down here. So USD is up, JPY is down, and now we're gonna go GBP. So we're gonna look at GBP. So GBP, the pricing you see 78,665, and that's 76,085. So that price was going down in price in the details. Okay, so that's all the details, but the actual value of the British pound is going up. Okay, like I said, it's invert correlation. So we're gonna put up here. Okay, now as you all know, we trade forex, so it's a pair compared to another. Okay, so if we look at the USD, if the USD is the first details of a pair, so that means USD compared to, let's say, JPY or anything like that, the USD is that's the pair that's the index that we have to look at. So USD compared to any other pair is supposed to be up. Okay, so the invert is the same. So if anything compared to the USD will go down against the USD. Okay, same thing here. So if we put JPY, JPY is going up. I put GBP, sorry, is going up. So we're going to put GBP here. So that's down. And let's put JPY. Okay. So we said JPY here, it's down. So we're going to put down. So this is the first of the cross pair. And anything against the JPY will go up. Okay. So now, since for this example, we're going to put GBP, JPY together. So GBP, we said it's going up, and JPY is going up. JPY, we said it's going down as the first pair. But since it's the last pair, and GBP is the first pair, the first of that pair, so GBP, JPY is basically going up for the week. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's the way that you use the COT analysis to compare one index to another, to know exactly what pair to use. And for this example, since we're going to use the GBP JPY for the week, we're going to look for buys for the week. Okay, overall it's a buy. Perfect. So that's it, guys. So I hope that it helped you regarding of your COT analysis, and I catch you on the next video. Thank you.